Welcome to Datagrid's Data Filter tutorial. The Data Filter interface lets you create formulas ranging from simple calculations to complex scripts. This process is invaluable when processing your report or document data, enabling you to achieve the tailored results that both you and your clients demand. Additionally, you have the option to script your data for a graph to generate visual representations. You can access this interface in every section of your forms. Simply hover over Customize in the main left menu and select Forms. On this page, you'll find all the forms created in your account, each displayed in its own row. Look for the column labeled Form Sections, Data Filters, and Graphs, where you'll find direct links to the various sections, data filters, and graphs within each form. For this tutorial, let's navigate to the In-House Corporate Documents section and click on the Deck Calculator Tutorial Demonstration Form section. To utilize formulas or scripts for your data, you'll need to start by reference questions within the Form section Section Questions tab. In this example, we're constructing a deck material calculator, which necessitates data such as deck width, deck length, and joist height. We've generated these using numerical decimal type questions, allowing us to apply our formulas. We review all the available question type options in the Form section Questions tutorial. Of course, if you're pulling from your own spreadsheet or document, the type of questions will reflect the data you need to collect and reference. You'll find the creation of formulas and scripts within the Data Filters and Graphs tab. Let's delve into the formula that computes the joist count within the Joist Count Data Filter. In the Details tab, you can assign a title and description to your data filter. On the right side, you have the option to enable or disable it, and in the upper right corner, you can create a new data filter or initiate a new graph. The expression editor is where you craft your formula scripts. To create the joist count formula, we observe a reference identifier divided by 12, multiplied by 16, and then added by 1. The reference identifier, crucial for obtaining the joist count, must correspond to the deck length. Let's now explore how we generate this reference identifier. Located in the upper right corner is a button labeled Form Tokens. Clicking on it will open the Form Tokens browser, where we'll navigate to select the deck length from our questions. This involves expanding the Report form, then In-House Corporate Documents, and finally selecting the defined deck length within the Deck Calculator tutorial demonstration. Upon selecting the deck length, you'll notice that the reference number is duplicated in the JavaScript expression window. The Form Tokens browser simplifies the process of identifying data and inserting the reference number into your formula. Additionally, you'll observe that besides referencing section questions, you can also reference section data filters, enabling calculations on your calculations. An illustration of this is evident in the screw count calculation, where we see the joist count data filter reference multiplied by 2, then further multiplied by the deckboard count data filter. In the JavaScript expression window, you can input simple mathematical formulas such as this, or complex JavaScript containing multiple variable references. Some developers opt to input a test matrix to assess the variables within their script. Datagrid provides a Save and Evaluate button at the bottom, enabling you to save your code and conduct script testing. When you construct a JavaScript containing multiple variables, you gain the capability to individually populate those variables within a single report layout. Let's examine a sample JavaScript, the job cost breakdown, where we encounter the line number variable. Now, let's explore how it is populated within the report layout titled In-House Job Cost Breakdown. Once a copy of the data filter has been added to the page, you can utilize the Options tab to reference those variables. We offer a variety of large and small formula and script examples that can populate report layouts, and these are available for import into your account at no cost. We go into further details in the Reports Layout tutorial. Thank you for exploring Datagrid's Data Filter tutorial.